Hi, welcome to Baker Fare. I'm Pika, and on today's episode, I'm making spiced poached pears. They're spicy because they're made with cinnamon, which is the key factor, cinnamon, and they're delicious. You can put them on, I like to put them either, I make like a poached pear salad, which is like salad, and then I put the poached pears on it, and then I'll put like candied walnuts and cranberries and all kinds of delicious things. Or you can put it on a cheese tart, which I'm going to be doing next week, so stay tuned. But this week I'm making poached pears. I'm going to be using pears. I'm going to be doing 4. I'm going to peel them and leave them whole, and I'm going to put them in a solution. I'm going to use sugar. I'm going to use nutmeg, whole nutmeg, and I'm going to be using cinnamon. See? And that's it. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, I cut the tips off and I cut the bottom off. And I peel them. By the way, this is the best peeler I've ever had in my life. And I'm going to show you why. See how thin that is? It's like so thin. I don't know if you can see that. It's so thin. They're like great. While I'm peeling the pears, I need to make the solution that the pears are going to be in. So I'm using a pot. I'm just going to use 1 cup of sugar. I was debating whether I wanted to use 1 cup. And now I'm going to add water. And I use bottled water because our water where we live, I guess, has lead in it. So lead, if you did not know, I think it's lead, does not boil out of water. You can boil the water all you want, and you're still going to have lead, and it's going to be in your food then. Just a little tidbit. I didn't know if you knew that or not. I don't know if the bottled water is any better. Now you have plastic. I think I'm going to just add a little bit more. I use like 2 1/4 bottles of 16.9 ounces times 2, and then a little bit extra. Now I'm going to stir it, and I'm going to stick it on the stove till now they're all peeled and ready to go into the solution. The solution is not done yet. I am going to go stick some of this cinnamon and the nutmeg in it. So now I'm going to go throw these into the liquid. Come with me. Okay, so now I'm going to put these in here gently. Because you want them to be in there. Okay, so I kind of made a mistake. Usually, it came to me while I was looking at my pears. What I normally do is I peel them and then I cut them in half. I take the seeds out. I just take a spoon and scoop it out, and then I stick them in like that. So you're going to take a spoon and you're going to scoop out where the seeds are. It's like a little round section, and it comes right out. See how that is? And then from there, you just slice them any way you want. I need them like this. So that's that. Okay, so that's the pears. And next week, I'm going to show you how I make a pear cheese tart. Super easy. I mean, this dessert is so delicious. And it's like, you can make the pears one day and then make the other thing in 15 minutes and you're good. But I am going to try one of these for you because I know you're dying to hear me go, oh. I'm just going to take a little piece. They're so good. They're so good on salads. I used to make these for my husband and I all the time. I would actually leave them in the liquid overnight, and then I'd get up in the morning, and for lunch I would cut them up, so throw them in salads. So good. But this pear cheese tart is even more good. These are so delicious. I hope you give them a try. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. Thank you for being here, and if you're new here, thank you for being here, being new here, and might listen to me go shh, because I'm no expert. I'm not a YouTube, hey, I have a scripted thing. I don't like scripts, so I kind of do it on a fling, if you don't mind. Anyway, hope you have a good week. Remember, new videos come out every Wednesday. So until next week, pear cheese tart. Hope to see you there. Ciao.